friends, let's continue with class 9 mathematics chapter 2 exercise 2.4. In the last video we had done about factorization, how to factorize quadratic polynomials. That was using splitting the middle term method. Let's see what are the other methods of factorizing other polynomials. Like question number 5, this is a polynomial of cubic polynomial, I mean, because the degree is 3, so that means like splitting the middle term to cholawale na paribo. So in that case, what we will do now here is itu kiniya gorna factorize koribo, because quadratic karone moi ko anisna splitting the middle term to aram para cholabo pare hole bi the power 3 hoy jase. In that case, what you will do is itu polynomial the first standard form they arrange as na nai arrange koribi, itu already arranged ase, power to decreasing order de ase. Next to charta term ase, itu kundula term constant ase, you can check, that is here 20 the adi no variables iku nai, iku the term nai, 20 to just a pure number. So here the constant term is 20. So now factors of 20 are, the factors of 20 to factors to plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, plus minus 10, plus minus 20. That means like 20 to amount 1 probably divide koro paribo plus minus, isn't it? Because 20 divided by minus 1 though minus 20, no, because minus 1 into minus 20 times is what? 20. To amount into plus p line minus p line. Similarly 20 to amount minus 4 will be divide koro paribo 4 5s are, so minus 5, because minus 4 into minus 5 is how much? 4 5s are 20, minus into minus to plus hoy jabo. So that's why we have to consider even the negative values also, because it's not given in the question that they should be natural numbers or whole numbers or positive integers and all. So the factors of 20 are all the numbers, that is even the negative numbers also. Now after doing that, what you will do is find out the value of the polynomial at all these constant, like we will try to get at least 1 0 of this polynomial using these factors. So let's try to get 1 cube 13 into 1 square plus 32 into 1 plus 20. So here I'll just do directly now because we have already done a lot of exercise. I believe you are able to do now. So 20 30 40 50 60 63 64 65 66. Definitely this is not equal to 0. Let's try to get minus 1 diri kiman holai. So minus 1 cube minus 1 minus 1 square 1 32 plus minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. So the plus minus, so 33. So what do we get here? P of minus 1 is 0, ekta 0 pai jase. That means x equal to minus 1 is a 0 of our given polynomial. So in other words, x minus 2 and this will be plus 1 factor because remainder or factor theorem is when you divide a polynomial by x plus 1, we find out its remainder using this concept, x plus 1 equal to 0, so x equal to minus 1. So our remainder will be p of minus 1. That's how we used to find out, remember that, no? So if x equal to minus 1 is a 0 of the polynomial, then x plus 1, because minus 1 comes on the other side here, x equal to minus 1, x plus 1. So x plus 1 is a factor. We are finding out the factors, that's why we are writing this, not this one. Factor of the given polynomial. So now what we will do is, once your factors are found, you will now divide the given polynomial. Kita is x cube plus 13x square, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 plus 32x plus 20, you will divide by x plus 1. It is a factor, okay? So remember, remainder should be 0. So now we will divide x square. So we have x cube plus x square minus. So we have 12x square plus 32x. I've already done a video on this division, so Please go through it if you have any doubts. X square plus 12x, subtracting 20x plus 20 plus 20, 20x plus 20. So in that case, our polynomial can also be written as the divisor into quotient. Our quotient is x square plus 12x plus 20 plus the remainder, which is 0. So remember, we are supposed to factorize. That means again, now here again we will use splitting the middle term method. 20, 0 already done, so I'll not write again. So now 20, the factors of 20 would be 10 into 2s are 20, 10 plus 2 is 12. Very simple. So x plus 1, x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. So that will be x plus 1, taking common from the first two terms, x plus 10 plus 2, x plus 10. So you can see both the terms are same. So again, x plus 10 common, so we have x left plus 2 left. Therefore our factors are x plus 1, x plus 10 and x plus 2. So that's how you factorize cubic polynomials. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do continue to log in for more.